Hey there artists! Ready to add some glow to your creativity? Today we are unboxing this magical HIMI Glow in the Dark 6 color paint set. Let's explore what's inside, swatch the colors and talk about how you can use these luminous paints to make your art shine literally. First, let's check out the box. Inside you'll find 6 vibrant glow in the dark colors, each in an easy to use jelly cup design. The package is compact and sturdy, so no mess and no stress. There's even a color guide to help you identify each glowing shade. Now let me tell you why artists love HIMI Glow in the Dark paints. They offer a bright, long-lasting glow after just a few seconds of light exposure. The texture is smooth and easy to apply, perfect for blending or layering. They're non-toxic and safe, so everyone can enjoy them. And they work on almost anything, say it right from canvas, paper, wood, fabric, you name it. Now let's swatch these beauties, applying each color on both white and black paper to see how they pop on different bases. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's see the magic happen with HIMI Glow in the Dark gouache paints. After applying the colors, they have to be exposed to light for just a few seconds. And once the lights are turned off, wow, look at the stunning glow. It charges the pigments to create that glowing effect. Each color radiates beautifully, creating an eternal luminous effect. So what's amazing about these gouache paints is their ability to retain vibrancy even in the dark. The creamy textures ensure smooth application, and the jelly cup design makes them super easy to use without any mess. Imagine using these for painting galaxies, glowing underwater scenes, or even adding magical accents to your art. The glow is long-lasting and recharges every time it's exposed to light, so your creations stay radiant for hours. So whether you're working on a big canvas or small details, these paints bring an otherworldly touch to your art. It's perfect for night-themed projects. Think of Halloween decorations, DIY decors, or just having fun experimenting with light and color. This HIMI Glow in the Dark paints are your ticket to magical glowing creations. So let us know what you will create with them and how you will let your imagination shine. So thank you very much for joining me today. Don't forget to share your glowing masterpieces with us. Stay tuned for more creative content, and until I meet you next time, keep glowing and keep creating.